Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling with Stone. So today I'm going to show you a makeup tutorial of how I got this look using some new products that I'm very excited about. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off by moisturizing and priming my skin using the Embryolisse Late Cream Concentrate, which actually is a moisturizer and primer in one, and just need a little bit to moisturize and prime my face. That way my makeup can stay on for the remainder of the evening, smooth, and helps fill in any fine lines and pores. For foundation, I'm going in with the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation in the color Deep 71 Warm. And with this foundation, literally about one pump does your whole entire face. It's really thick. A lot of people don't really like it because they say it's so thick and full coverage, but honestly, you guys, you're using too much. When a foundation is this thick, you only need a tiny bit and then spread that one pump all over your face evenly. And for highlighting, I am gonna go in with the Mary Kay Concealer. This is the Perfecting Concealer in the color Deep Beige. And then just blend that out using a regular cosmetic wedge. And then setting my highlighted areas using the Airspun Loose Powder, which you guys know is like one of my favorites, in the color Honey Beige, which is basically like a whitish, beigeish color. For brows, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Gel Liner in the color Coffee. For eyeshadow today, I'm going in with the NYX To The Go palette, the Indispensable palette. And what I'm going to use is this deep green color here. So for a base on the eye, because I want the green to be sort of deep, I'm going in with the Morphe Gel Liner in the color Slate. And then take that green and just pack it on the lid with the flat shader brush. For my crease, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Shayla palette, her collaboration with Maybelline. It's called the City Mini palette. And I'm going to take that brownish red and blend it in the crease. For liner, I'm going in with that same Morphe Gel Liner in the color Slate. So I'm going to wipe away the excess powder that I have just sitting on the face baking. And then for cream contour, I'm going to go in with the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear Makeup Stick. And this is in the color 510 Suede. And then reverse contour with the same Airspun Loose Powder. Taking the same gel liner, I'm gonna put mascara for the bottom waterline, but just put a few dots here to make the bottom lash line look thicker. I found this little trick from Makeup Shayla, and it just makes it look fuller down there. I thought that was really cute. So just put a few little dots. And then add mascara to the bottom lash line and a little bit under the top. Using the Black Radiance True Complexion palette in the color Medium to Dark, I'm going to take the middle color and then dust away that powder from underneath the reverse contour. Dust away that powder. So I'm excited to use these new products that I got, and I just received them today. And the name of this product line is Glamorous Beats. Now, this is a young lady that I've been following on Instagram for a while now. And she reached out and sent me a few of her products, you guys, and they are amazing. Like, look at how cute and elegant her packaging is. Let's just talk about the packaging. It's so cute and elegant. And I mean, it's just so professional. I just love it. You guys check her out. I'm going to put her information in the description box so you guys can order some of these products. So this is her face highlighter. And look at this, you guys. This is one of the highlighters. It's like a rosy gold type color. I'm going to do a whole separate swatch video on these, but just to show you that one. But the one that I'm going to use today, and I love how it comes in these cute little dust bags. Really cute. So the one that I'm going to use today is this one called Glamorous. And it is a beautiful gold, you guys. Look at that beautiful yellow gold, like a true yellow gold. So I'm going to use this for highlighting. Ooh, this is my first time using it, and it is gorgeous. So pretty. Now for blush, I'm going to go in with the same NYX palette, the Indispensable palette, and using this mauve color. For lips today, I'm going in with more of the Glamorous Beat cosmetic products, and she also sent me some lip products which are really pretty. And because I have this smoky green, I definitely want to do a red lip. I know that for sure. So I'm going to use her lip pencil. This is the Glamorous Beat lip pencil in the color Plum. Now, I did swatch this lip pencil already, and the thing that I noticed right off the bat is that it's really creamy. You know how some lip liners you use kind of stutter across the lip and it doesn't glide on as smooth. This one's really smooth, which is usually one of the top things I look for when I'm trying lip liners, like how smooth it goes on, because I'm really particular about, my lip color looking really neat on the lip and going on smooth. And for the lip color, I'm going to go in with the Glamorous Beat. I think they're like liquid lipsticks. And this one is the color Spoiled, which is like a deep, beautiful red. Look at that. So pretty. Wow. Beautiful red. Ooh, and it dries to a matte finish, you guys. And then to set my entire face, I'm going in with MAC's Fix Plus Spray. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And until next time, thank you so much for rolling with Stone.